Installation guidance for a wooden casement door. Step 1. Door frame installation. Align the door frame and fix it with screws and nails. Fix the door frame to the door opening and ensure it is fixed neatly with wooden blocks around. Use a laser level to check if the door frame is level. Fix the door frame to the wall with rivets. Apply sealing strips around the door frame. Step 2. Hinge installation. Align the door panel with the door frame. Then measure and locate the hinge installation position. Slot at the marked positions and trim them until smooth. Fix one side of the hinge with screws. Align the door panel with the door frame and fix the other side of the hinge with screws. Step 3. Door frame edging. Inject foam into the gap between the door frame and the wall. Cut appropriate door casings according to the height and width of the door frame. Apply foam adhesive to the back of the door casings and fix them onto the door frame. Step 4. Lock installation. Measure and mark the appropriate lock installation position. Use a drill to make appropriate slots and drill holes on the door panel. Trim the slot according to the size of the lock body. Install the lock body. Install the handle. Install the lock faceplate and fix it with screws. Install the lock cylinder and rotate the latch to test whether it works properly. Step 5. Lock strike plate installation. Measure and locate the position of the strike plate on the door frame. Use a drill to make slots and trim them to the appropriate size. Install the strike plate and fix it with screws. Rotate the key to test if the lock system works properly. Installation completed.